How to insert page numbers in Word starting from a specific page. This tutorial shows you how to skip numbering earlier pages, like a title page, and start counting from wherever you want numbering to start. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, place your cursor at the very beginning of the page where you want numbering to start. After that, click the Layout tab in the ribbon. At this point, click Breaks in the Page Setup group. Following this, click Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a separate section starting from that page, letting you control page numbers independently from the pages before it. From here, click into that new section. At this stage, click the Insert tab. Following this, click Page Number in the Header and Footer group. From here, choose your placement, like bottom of page. Once inserted, you'll notice the header and footer tools appear in the ribbon, along with a Link to Previous button that's highlighted by default. At this stage, click Link to Previous to turn it off, since this is what separates the numbering in this section from the pages before it. Following this, click Page Number again. From here, click Format Page Numbers. At this stage, select Start At, then enter 1, or whatever number you want that specific page to begin from. Following this, click OK to apply it. Once applied, the pages before your section breaks stay unnumbered or keep their own separate numbering, while the pages from your chosen point onward start fresh from the number you set. That's how you insert page numbers in Word starting from a specific page. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!